Welcome. This is Odum Maths. Today I want us to look at logarithmic equations or equations involving logarithm. But please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Okay. On YouTube it is Odum at Odum Maths. On Facebook it is Emmanuel Odum or Odum Maths. On TikTok it is Odum at Odum.maths at Odum.maths. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let's look at logarithmic equations or equations involving logarithm. Before we look at this, let's remind ourselves that indices and logarithm, they are twins of the same mother. So when you invite one, the other will be waiting for invitation. Or when you are fighting with the other one, prepare to fight with the other one too. Okay, so if I have log 10 base 10, we are told it is 1. Okay, then it means that we can change this to indices. This is logarithm. We can change this to indices. So that is going to be this 10 equals this 10 will become a base here. So 10 and this becomes the exponents. Okay, so that is what this implies. So it means that log b base a, which is equal to c, is the same as b equals a to the power c. So we just change this one, logarithm to indices. So we can also change indices to logarithm. That is log b base a equals c. Okay, so now let's look at this first example. Solve for x in log 4x base 10 equals 3. Okay, so straight away, log 4x base 10, we are told it is 3. Okay, so we need to change this one to indices. That is, this should become a base here. So 4x equals 10 to the power 3. And then 4x becomes 1000. Okay, so we need to divide both sides by 4. So x is going to be, now 4 into 100 is 25. Now 25 with 0 becomes 250. So the answer is x equals 250. That's all. Let's look at one more example. Okay, so solve for x in log 2x plus 80 all base 10 equals 2. Okay, so here log into brackets 2x plus 80 base 10 equals 2. Okay, so like we said earlier, we just change this one to indices. That is, this should become a base here. So 2x plus 80 is equal to 10 to the power 2. Now 2x plus 80 becomes 10 to the power 2 is 100. Okay, so 2x becomes 100 minus 80. That is this, we are subtracting 80 from both sides. So 2x becomes 20. Then we divide both sides by 2. So x, that is going to be 10. Okay, so solve for x if log 8x plus 1 base 10 minus log 2x plus 1 base 10 is equal to log x plus 2 base 10. Okay, so log into brackets 8x plus 1 base 10 minus log 2x plus 1 base 10 is equal to log x plus 2 base 10. Okay, so they have the same base subtracting. So it means we can divide them. That is log into brackets 8x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 all base 10 equals log x plus 2 also in base 10. Okay, now if we have log this base 10 and that is log that base 10, it means we have x, 8x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 equals x plus 2. Okay, so now we can simplify. That is, use cross multiplication. So 8x plus 1 is equal to, into brackets, x plus 2 and then 2x plus 1. Okay, so 8x plus 1 equals, we need to expand this. This and this becomes 2x squared. Then this times this becomes plus x. This and this becomes plus 4x. And then this is that going to be plus 2. Okay. Okay, so from here, I want to maintain this side to be on the positive side. So I am bringing this one in. Now, or I want to make this x squared to be positive still. So I'm just bringing this one here. So that is 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Then minus 8x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so from here, 2x squared will remain. Then 5x minus 8 it becomes negative 3x. And then 2 minus 1 becomes plus 1 equals 0. Okay, so here I'm just going to multiply, use the method of factorization. So I'm multiplying this and then that. So that is going to be 2. So factors of 2, we have plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. Okay, so I am going to select negative 1 and then negative 2. So that negative 1 and negative 2 give me negative 3 when I add them. So negative 1 plus negative 2 will be negative 3. But negative 1 times negative 2 will be positive 2. Let me just fix this one here. So 2x squared, then minus 2x minus x. That is negative 2 here, the negative 1 here. That is negative 1x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, I can continue on this side. So this is going to give me, let me write them here first. So 2x squared plus 2x, then minus, so 2x squared minus 2x minus x plus 1 equals 0. So they are 4 terms, so I can group them. So this side is 2x out, x minus 1. Then here we have negative 1 out, x minus 1. So that this and this will be negative, this and this will be positive, okay, equals 0. So this is going to be 2x minus 1 in one bracket, and then x minus 1 in another bracket equals 0. So 2x minus 1 equals 0, x is equal to 1 over 2. That is, this will go then to be 2x equals 1. Then you divide both sides by 2 to get x is equal to half. Then x minus 1 also equals 0, x is equal to 1. So that is that. So that therefore x is 1 or 0 or half. So let's look at another example. So solve for x if 2 log 2 over 3 base 10 equals half log x base 10 minus log 18 base 10 plus log 16 base 10. Okay, so let me rewrite it here. That is half log x base 10 minus log 18 base 10 plus log 16 base 10 is equal to 2 log 2 over 3 base 10. So here, let me rewrite or introduce the third law here. So this is log x to the power half minus log 18, base 10, this is also base 10, plus log 16 base 10 equals log 2 over 3 to the power 2. Okay, then from here, let me rewrite it this side again. So that is going to be log x to the power half base 10 plus log 16 base 10, then minus log 18 base 10 equals log, this becomes 4 over 9, okay, base 10. So this and this are added with the same base, and then they are all being subtracted by this one with the same base. So that is log into brackets x to the power half times 16 over 18 all base 10, and that is equal to log 4 over 9 also in base 10. Okay, and if this is happening, we know we can just equate this and this one. So this and this becomes 16x to the power half over 18 is equal to 4 over 9. Okay, so we can do cross multiplication here. Okay, so we can say that this multiplying, that is 9 times 16 x to the power half equals 4 times 18. Okay. So I have 9 times 16 x to the power half equals 4 times 18. I will not multiply, but I'm just going to do some tricks here. So this, I divide both sides by 9. So I have 16 x to the power half equals, this into this one is 2. So that 2 times, so I have 4 times 2. Okay. Then again, let me divide both sides by 4. So this into this is 4x to the power half equals, this into this, we have 2. Then let me still divide by 2, both sides by 2. So this is 2x to the power half equals 1. Okay, now I'll divide both sides by 2 again. So x to the power half is equal to 1 over 2. Now we square both sides to remove this half. So squared here, squared here. So x becomes, this will cancel this one. So x is going to be 1 over 4. So let's look at one last example to this very topic. Now solve for x if log 10x plus 20 is 10 minus log 2x minus 6 is 10 equals 1. So let me rewrite the question. Log into bracket 10x plus 20 base 10 minus log 2x minus 6 base 10 equals 1. So the same base subtracting, second row. So that is log into bracket 10x plus 20 over 2x minus 6 base 10 equals 1. So we change this to indices. That is, this should come and be a base here. So that is 10x plus 20 over 2x minus 6. 2x minus 6 equals 10 to the power 1. 10 to the power 1. Okay. So this is 10x plus 20 equals, this should multiply this. Now this is 10 into brackets 2x minus 6, then 10x plus 20 becomes, this is 20x minus 60. Okay, so now let me group like terms. So 10x minus 20, this is coming here and this will go there, equals negative 60 minus 20. So this is 20x. So this is negative 10x equals negative 80. Then we divide both sides by negative 10. So x becomes 8. Okay. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please, you need to comment as well. You can ask a topic of your favorites that you have problems with it. Then I'll help in explaining it to you. Maybe you get it better than your regular teacher. I'm not saying your regular teacher cannot teach you, but in a way, your regular teacher can teach you. But when you hear other, maybe my method of approaching that topic will be different from your teacher, your regular teacher. Yes, so please comment, then I'll help you in that manner. Thanks for watching. Bye.